Dealing with the most gracious. The square mileage of my mind be the most spacious. Heal the deaf, dumb and blind in they closed faces. Stick the mic down the throat of a known racist. Yeah, I'm something like a black Buddhist. Keep my eyes on these devils, then attack Judas. I'm like coke in your nose when it pass mucus. We like the 92 riots, a bunch of black looters. In the jungle where the tigers dwell. In the streets of the ghetto where they fire shells. Half man, half amazing with a lion's tail. Either ride for revolution or you die in hell. Verbal architect, rhymes iller than arsenic. On tracks I'm an arsonist, reign ruler of continents. Joe Haas, I'm the best in this bitch. I'm like Malcolm out the window when protecting my clique. You can address me as the God body. Y'all got devilish ways. Trap your mind in my ocean of intelligent ways. I got Nat turn to blood, I'm an intelligent slave. Ill is a big head scientist developing AIDS. The inner mind degrades, uplifting your ambience. Chop a nigga's head and throw his brain in the audience. Choke you till you blue like a left-wing lobbyist. Your girl give me head, man, the mouth is the sloppiest. I'm cut from a different cloth. From a different empire, I'm a different boss. Now what they did to Eric Garner, that's a different loss. Ain't talking Martin Luther, man, we on a different march. The foundation of life, cut the blood out my veins, you can see it's all ice. See the glare from my eye, turn men into mice. I give my soul to the shit, it's the ultimate price.